Today we'll discuss about a very important topic, that is the referencing in the MS Excel. Referencing are two types. One is relative referencing, that is a dynamic one, and the second is the absolute referencing, that is the fixed one. So let us take the first, that is a relative referencing, that is a dynamic one. For example, the active cell is now D6 and at D6 is equal to B6. What is going on here? In the D6 I have refer the B6 value in this cell, in this active cell, means whatever the value in the B6, the same value will be displayed in the D6 value. So this is a referencing of one cell to the other one. So that is the basically referencing. And the term dynamic or relative referencing. Relative referencing means I can say in other word that in the D6 I have put the value that is available before two columns. Means if you go left side, this is the first column, this one is, and this one is the second column. For the same row and two column before, the value is giving in the D6. So what is meaning of this relative? Relative means, suppose if this value is changed from D6 to other place, I want to paste this value from this D6 to it is J8 to, in this one the value referencing is H8. What it means? It means that now the cell referencing is changed. That's why this is called the dynamic or relative one. Means there is a change in the cell values. So how you can analyze the change? So change have a relative referencing. Change have some relations. So earlier the data in the D6 is basically available for the same row and two column before, that is a left side. Similarly in this H8, means in this J8, the data is basically for the same row and two column before. So that is the concept of the relative one. Always if you copy paste anywhere in the Excel, so the data is the same row but two column before. You just copy anywhere, data is same row and two column before. So this is the concept of a relative referencing, means that is always related. For example, if I take C7 and it is a B4, so B4 is here, so means not the same row, not the same column, means one column before and 1 2 3 4 row above. So this is a relative. So the data in the C7 is one column before and 4 row above. So the same thing is, you can paste anywhere this value. So the references will be the same one, means one column before and 4 row above. So that is called the relative referencing. So this is very much useful because we can use this one for so many purposes, for so many calculations. That is a relative referencing. Normal calculations can be carried out. For example, if you see in this one, they have given the concept of relative referencing, where quantity and price is given. If you multiply the amount B2 and C2, so this is a relationship, means there is a very simple one. You have to multiply for the same row but before one column, multiply before second column for the same row. And if you drag it, means if you copy paste in all the other one, so that will be automatically paste for the same referencing, means for the same row but before first column and second column. So that's why relative referencing is very much useful to apply for the dragging options of the formula. Thank you. This is for the relative referencing.